Now we'll start doing simultaneous linear equations. Okay. Simultaneous means at a time. Since we are going to solve linear equation in two variable, you need two such equations to solve or to get the value of x and y. Okay, that is why we call it as simultaneous linear equations, or some people say it is system of equations. Okay, now let us start solving this simultaneous linear equation. The method one is elimination by equating the coefficient. Okay, method 1. Elimination method. Elimination method means, see, out of the two given equations, we are going to eliminate or remove or delete one variable. Thereby, we are going to reduce the simultaneous linear equation into linear equation in one variable. Then we will solve. So, we will get the value of one variable. Then, on substituting that variable in any one of those two given equations, we will get the value of the second variable also. Right? So, now let us start with one example, then you will understand. Okay? Textbook page number 3. Solve 3x plus 2y equal to 29, 5x minus y is equal to 18. So, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now, solving this linear equation means what? We are going to find out the value of x and y. Okay. Now, elimination by method by equating the coefficients, by equating coefficients. Okay, right. Now, what is the coefficient of y here? Plus 2. What is the coefficient of y here? Minus 1. Minus 1. Equating means what? We are making equal of the coefficient of y. So, here if I wanted 2, I have to multiply this equation 2 by 2. Okay. So, multiply equation 2 by 2. So, what I am going to get? This one, 10x minus 2y equal to 36. This is equation number 3. Now, what is the first equation? 3x plus 2y equal to 29. It is equation 1. Right? Now, look at this. Here what is there? Minus 2y. Here plus 2y. So, that will get cancel if you add. So, when we add, when the coefficients are equal and opposite sign, here coefficients are equal with opposite sign, then add the equations. Then add the equations. This is a formula, right? So, as per this formula, I added these two equations. So, what is 10x plus 3x? 13x. What is 36 plus 29? 65. 13 5s are 65. So x equal to 65 upon 13 equal to 5. So I got the value of x. Now what I want? I wanted to get the value of y also. Okay. For that what to do? Substituting x equal to 5 in equation 1, we get, what is that? 3x plus 2y equal to 29. So now you substitute the value of x. 3 into 5 plus 2y equal to 29. So 2y equal to 29 minus 15 equal to 14. So what is the value of y? 7. Right? So what is the solution? Solution is x comma y equal to 5 comma 7. This is the method of solving elimination by equating the coefficients, right? Now next sum like this we will do it. Okay, another one. Similar one we will see. Practice set 1.1. First sum. Solve 5x plus 3y equal to 9. 2x minus 3y equal to 12. So we are going to solve these two equations, right? So we call it as equation number 1, this we call it as equation number 2. Okay, now look at these two equations, very simple. Here what is the coefficient of y? Plus 3. Here what is the equation of y? Minus 3. So see here, that means formula. Coefficients are equal with opposite sign. Then add the equations. So we are going to add these two equations. Add. Right? See, plus 3y minus 3y, it gets cancelled. So we are going to get 7x is equal to 21. 7 3s are 21. So x equal to 21 upon 7 gives us the value of x is 3. Now substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1, we get, what is the first equation? 5x plus 3y equal to 9. So 5 into 3 plus 3y equal to 9. So 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 3y equal to 9 minus 15. So equal to minus 6. So y equal to minus 6 upon 3 equal to minus 2. So what is the solution is x comma y equal to 3 comma minus 2. Understood? Okay. Now next one. Another one, similar one, second one, sum number 2, question A. Solve the simultaneous linear equations. 3a plus 5b equal to 26. Another one, a plus 5b equal to 22. Equation 2. Now formula. Here what is the coefficient of b? Plus 5. Here what is the coefficient of b? That also plus 5. Okay, see, coefficients are same with same sign. Then subtract the equation. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract the equation. Subtract. Subtract means what? You have to change the sign of the second equation and then add. So here what is that? 1. So plus 1. So it will become minus. Plus 5 become minus 5. Plus 22 becomes minus 22. So now plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 3a minus 1a. How many a? 2a equal to 26 minus 22. 4. So a equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. So you got the value of x as 2. Now substitute x equal a equal to 2 in equation 1. We get 3a plus 5b equal to 26. So 3 into 2 plus 5b equal to 26. So 6 plus 5b equal to 26. Therefore 5b equal to 26 minus 6 equal to 20. So 5b. So b equal to 20 upon 5 equal to 4. So solution is a comma b is equal to 2 comma 4. So these are all the same method, that meaning elimination method by equating the coefficients. Now another one. Next one we will see. Solve x plus 7y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now look at this. Here what is the coefficient of y? Plus 7. Here what is the value of y? Minus 2. So somehow you have to make both the equations, both the coefficients equal, or we will come on to the variable x. See here what is that? 1. So can we make 1 as 3? Yes, by multiplying 3. So multiplying equation 1 by 3. Come on, 3x plus 21y equal to 30. This is equation number 3. Now here 3x minus 2y equal to 7, equation 2. Now look at this again like the previous one. Here the coefficients are same but with same sign. So formula, coefficients are same with same sign. Then subtract the equations. Then subtract the equation as we have done in the earlier sum. So subtract means what? Change the sign. Plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. 21y minus 2y, 21y plus 2y. So 23y equal to 30 minus 7, 23. Therefore, y equal to 23 upon 23, that is, will give you the value as 1. Now again similar way, substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1, we get x plus 7y equal to 10. So x plus 7 into 1 equal to 10. So x equal to 10 minus 7 equal to 3. Therefore, solution is x comma y equal to 3 comma 1. So here also we have done the same thing. Now we will see another example, you will understand better. Solve 2x minus 3y equal to 9, 2x plus y is equal to 13. The third sum. Okay. So equation 1, this equation 2. Okay. Now here look at this. What is the coefficient of y here? Minus 3. Here plus 1. So we want to make this as 3. So we will multiply this equation by 3. Okay. So multiply equation 2 by 3. So you multiply 3x plus 3y equal to 39. Okay. Now first one is what? 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. It is again equation number 1 only. Now look at this. Here coefficients are same but with a different sign. So formula, coefficients are same with a different sign. Then add the equations. Then add the equations. Okay, so add. So plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. So 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 40. Sorry, this is also okay, 48. No, this sum we will leave it because I think I have copied wrongly. Okay. Oh, this is 6, you know, 6. No, something is wrong. Sorry. See here. Yeah. Now here, see, just a mistake, no issue. See here 2x, here also 2x. The coefficients are same. But what happened with same sign? So, formula. Coefficients are same with same sign. Subtract the equations. Okay. So we have to subtract. So you change the sign, Change the sign, change the sign. So what will happen here? Minus 4y is equal to minus 4. So y equal to minus 4 upon minus 4 gives you the value 1. Now substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1. We get 2x minus 3y equal to 9. So 2x minus 3 into 1 equal to 9. So 2x minus 3 equal to 9. 2x equal to 12. X equal to 6. Therefore, solution is x comma y equal to 6 comma 1. Right? Now next sum we will see. Okay. Next sum is solve sum number 4. Solve 5m minus 3n equal to 19. M minus 6n is equal to minus 7. See, first of all you see whether you are copying the sum properly or not. 5m minus 3n equal to 19, m minus 6n equal to minus 7. Now look at this. You can make this as 6 by multiplying the equation by 2, or here what is there? 1. So here you multiply this equation by 5, one and the same. So what I will do? Multiply equation 2 by 5. So here 5. So 5m minus 30n equal to minus 35. Right? Now this one, 5m minus 3n equal to 19. It is equation number 1. Look at this. What we did? We have multiplied the second equation by 5. Okay. Now see, the coefficients are same with the same sign. Formula. Coefficients are same with same sign. So subtract the equations. Okay. So subtract. So change the sign. So it get cancel. Minus 30n plus 3n minus 27n equal to minus 54. So what is n? Minus 54 upon minus 27 gives you 2. Right? Now as usual, substituting n equal to 2 in equation 1, we get 5m minus 3n equal to 19. So 5m minus 3 into 2 equal to 19. So 5m equal to 19 plus 6 equal to 25. So m equal to 25 upon 5 equal to 5. So what is the solution? M comma n equal to 5 comma 2. In this way you can solve all the sums given in your textbook. Okay. Now one more thing we will see. Fifth sum. Now fifth sum we will see. Solve 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. take it as equation number 1. X plus 5y is equal to 4. This you take it as equation number 2. Like the previous one, here you see, here you can easily multiply the coefficient of x here by 5, this equation. So, multiply equation 2 by 5, right? So, what will happen? 5x plus 25y equal to 20. Another one, first equation, plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now see, you have multiplied 5 into 1x, 5x, 5's are 25, 5's are 20. Here what you did? 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3. Now, equation number 1. Now, what you will do is, see here, formula same, coefficients are same, signs are also same. So, you have to subtract. Formula, coefficients are same with same sign. So, subtract the equations. Subtract the equations. Okay? Subtract. So, you will change the sign as usual, plus. So, it will get cancelled. 23y equal to 23. So, y equal to 23 upon 23, which gives 1. So, substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1, we get 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3. So, 5x plus 2 into 1 equal to minus 3. So, 5x plus 2 equal to minus 3. So, 5x equal to minus 3 minus 2 gives minus 5. So, x equal to minus 5 upon 5 equal to 1. So, solution is x comma y equal to minus 1 comma 1. Understood or not? Yes. Please note down. Now, we are going to solve little different type of sum. Okay? Little different type. Right? What is that? Now, you see 6th sum. 1 by 3 x plus y equal to 10 upon 3. It is equation number 1. Second one, 2x plus 1 by 4y equal to 11 upon 4. Now, look at this. If you have got integers, then it is very easy to solve the sums by equating, right? Now, here you see 1 by 3 is there, here 10 by 3 is there, here 2x, here 1 by 4, 11 upon 4. So, now what we will see by inspection method, you see this equation I am multiplying by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So, 3 into 1 by 3x plus 3 into y equal to 10 by 3 into 3. So, you are getting x plus 3y equal to 10. This is equation number 3. Similarly, this one we will multiply by 4, right? So, multiply with 4. So, 2 into 4x plus 1 by 4 into 4y equal to 11 upon 4 into 4. So, you have got 8x plus y equal to 11. Now we are going to solve these two equations. Now we have to solve equation 3 and 4. We have to solve equation 3 and 4 in a usual way which we have done earlier. So x plus 3y is equal to 10. 8x plus y equal to 11. Now here we will try to equate the coefficient. Here if you are multiplying by 8, this also 8x, this will also become 8x. But here 3y is here, so you will simplify, smaller number will multiply integer 3. So multiply equation 4 by 3. So what will happen? 8 3s are 24x plus 3y equal to 33. Here x plus 3y equal to 10. Now this is what equation 4, it is equation 5. Now formula. What is there? Same sign, coefficients are also same. Coefficients are same with same sign. So subtract the equations. Subtract the equations. Okay. So subtract means what? Change the sign. So 24x minus 1x, 23x is equal to 23. So x equal to 1. Right? Now, understand? Now substitute x equal to 1 in equation 4. 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. So 24 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 33. So 3y equal to 33 minus 24 is equal to 9. Therefore y equal to 3. So solution is x comma y is equal to 1 comma 3. Followed? So the rest of the things we will see in the next lecture.